Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Ran Acura. Today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your dome lights in your 2019 Tesla Model 3. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center screen. And once you do that, all you have to do, click on the bottom left where it has the car logo. And then go to lights below quick controls. And then you're gonna have an option for the interior lights. So we're gonna click on the dome lights, of course. And you have an option to turn it off, on, and auto. So you can see, you have all your lights around the vehicle. So you also have it on the center bar right here. And if you would like to leave it at auto, you could do as you please. But as soon as the vehicle senses that the interior is getting dark, then it will turn on for you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Ran Acura, and thank you guys for watching.